Hey y'all, on and do my laps. And yes, I've been off for a couple of days with swimming because I was sleeping under the fan and your girl got a little head cold. So I guess, you know, it was best for me not to start swimming, of course. You know, water, air, of course, I would have been more sicker. But I'm doing better. And of course, I'm still sleeping under the fan because I never stopped. But thanks to green tea and, you know, a little cough medicine and honey and lemon does the trick every single time. So, you know, that is the concoction. So even though, you know, I haven't been swimming, and I really like how after swimming it makes my body feel, and I just love it. It just, yes, it's doing everything for the skin. Like, I just love it. Okay, so anyways, I'm gonna take you guys with me in the pool and show you guys a little bit of how many laps I do. I'm gonna try because I still got to get my workout in, and that is my main focus. But I'm gonna try to bring y'all with me so y'all can see how many laps we do. Today we got 30 minutes to swim, but I'm gonna try to milk it for an hour or however much I can milk it because I'm just so hot and I just love the pool. So yeah. All right, so I will be right back. Okay, but before I even get into this video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, you guys. Join me, Tiffany, and the family. Okay, and follow me on all my socials. They will be linked down in the description box down below. I love you. And I'm looking a hot mess. I took my braids out, but I'm really not looking a hot mess. I'm just naturally me, and I'm okay with me. But you know, and I don't care if my hair get wet because I'm gonna wash it. So, and I plan on getting it done in a few days. Well, not in a few days, but I'm giving my hair like a little rest, a little break. But I am gonna maybe do some natural hairstyles on my hair because all this swimming, and it's just needs a break. Okay, so I'll be back for real. Okay, y'all, I'm in this lane. I think this is the lane I'm in, but it's kind of dirty. You got some like debris. Woo, it's cold. Okay, y'all, I'm in here. I'm just walking my first lap. It's been a couple of days since I swim, so I'm just walking. No, I'm not cold. At first I was when I got in, but I'm not cold. I know. I'm all wet now. Okay, so I'm just walking back and forth. Okay, Lori, give me that damn, look at her in this damn swimming paddle board. And she know how to swim. She lied to us saying she didn't know how to swim.
I know, y'all know black folks don't know how to swim.
That's not true, because I had lessons, boo.
So did I.
So how you don't know how to swim? Once you learn how to swim, you never forget.
No, you're here to give me lessons.
Give you lessons? Okay. So she said I saw her swimming the last time. Don't play with me. Look at her. She got her swimming board, y'all.
I'm not playing with her.
Okay.
Let's see what I can do, y'all. Y'all want to watch me?
Well, we watching laps now. Yeah, let's see, because I know you capping. It's all cap.
See, look, I can't stay up with this thing.
They said some of those swimming boards can't hold the weight. So here, let me see. No, you can't stay up. That is up. Flap your feet.
I am.
Flap your feet. What is you doing? Flap the feet. You ain't pumping. You're not pumping them. You're not pumping them hard enough.
She lying.
I'm trying to hold her up. Look. Look, she goes. Lori,
you try to tip me over.
I didn't try to tip you
hold
over.
Me from the bottom end of my body.
Yes, that's how I learned how to swim.
I'm gonna tip over.
Huh? She got it, huh? She just gotta flap a little harder. Go, Lori, go. Go, Lori, go. Look at her little self. My little self?
What's that in there? What's that?
That's something from a tree. Girl, you can't blow that. That's just something from a tree.
Oh,
I threw it in somebody else's way.
ooh, get that. That's not a tree.
All of this is tree debris.
Damn. I need the net. Now, why does it look so much more effortless when she does it? Really? Wow. Show off. Maybe I gotta hold it where she's holding it too, guys.
Where was you holding it?
Girl, I don't remember. I was just had a death grip on it, that's all.
You just effortlessly do it.
Look at her, y'all. There she goes. Oh, wow. Kick them feet, girl. Yeah, she got it. Not so easy for me, guys. But I'm trying. I'm getting there.
You just hold on and flat.
Hold on the flap. I'm gonna go underneath with it. Got her.
I'm going in slow motion.
What you getting here? Super slow. I don't know why.
I'm moving.
You is moving.
I seen somebody else do this and they was going like 15 miles per hour.
Man, they was like taking big strokes.
Okay, hold on. Okay, I'm going again.
I got you. Kick them feet. See them little feet going, y'all.
This is perfect for staying above the water.
It is. Come on, girl. Flap them feet.
I am. Let me go faster. See if I can go faster. Okay, I'm going a
There
little
you
faster.
go. A little bit. There you got some speed going. Generate.
I'm
Kick.
coming.
Kick them legs.
Kick, 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 kick. Oh, yeah, you gotta flap faster to go faster.
That's it. The more you
Flap faster
more you kick them feet, the
to go
more.
faster.
Yes. Is it still? Is it still? Is it still going? Or what?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, you can cut it. Look at Laurie swim. Go. Go, 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 go. Go. See, you stood up. You did it. You did it. You did it.
I gotta build up my lungs, though. It's hard for me to breathe because my lungs.
Yeah, and then you turn your head. Turn your head.
I gotta remember to do that as well. Come up, get some air. Yes, it is okay. One under though.
Look at Laurie swimming. She can swim. Look at her. Look at her. Look at her. Look at her. Go, 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 go. Go, good girl.
I gotta remember to come up and get my head.
Go. Go, 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 go. Go, go. Okay, that's like a little doggy pedal.
Better. Right. Okay.
Okay, y'all, so I'm doing my laps, but I had to paddleboard, so I'm just basically slapping my legs. Wow. That's amazing.
We love watching swimming.
We love the Olympics. Yes.
Yeah. Don't like them in the beer. That's your rival. That was your rival back in the day.
I'm on the paddleboard. Looks like I'm going slow motion. Let me pick up the paddling. Paddling back and forth. More paddling, 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 paddling. I don't know how many laps I've done so far. And I don't know how long it takes me to get there. I'm using Lori's paddleboard. This is for her to swim and she's over here.
Well, this is interesting.
No, it is.
What the heck?
Well, look at them squirrels.
Meet Olympic.
I know, that's beautiful. I watch it though, and I watch the diving.
Yeah, we do. I've been watching.
I'm scared of that. I'm scared of that. Okay. This swimming board is taking me a long way, guys. Plus size people, we can be active. But sometimes those machines, they hurt our bones and they can hurt your back. So swimming is so low impact and it works out your whole body.
Where you can see everything. I'm not struggling. Whoa.
And you just gotta remember to breathe. Come up for air.
I know, I thought about that at the last. Okay. Yeah, that's kind of. Okay. You can keep your stride. Here I go. Here I go.
Let me see if this will float without me. I don't know. This may tip over. I'm trying to doggy pedal. Ooh. I'm trying to doggy pedal. So this is hands-free. Because I want to get some arms in there. Oh, we tipped over. Okay. I love the swim board. Oh, and the water feels so good. Huh? What y'all say?
You don't even need it.
Need what? Oh, the paddleboard? I don't need it. I can swim.
I know. She was just joking.
I know.
Don't worry, I'll get her.
What? You want this? Okay, guys. So I'm about to go in the sauna. It's dark in there, but y'all see the wood seats and all that. So that's what I do after the swim. So you do your swim workout, and then I go sit in the sauna, get my sweat on for about 20 minutes or 30, and then yeah, I go home and I shower. I don't be showering up in here, but anyway, yes, guys, I had a good swim workout. I was only supposed to swim 30 minutes, but I ended up swimming an hour and a half. So that was pretty good for today, okay? All right, guys. So I'm in the sauna and I got my water bottle. I know y'all can't really see me like that, but yeah, I'm in here. I'm being here for about 20-30 minutes. The sauna was kind of off, so it gotta heat up, so I gotta get this camera out of here. Okay, y'all. All right, guys, see y'all after my sweat. Hit it, the top. Y'all, so I just did like 20 minutes, no, almost 30 minutes in the sauna. Not too long, and of course I got my water with me. I got my water with me. Because when you get out, you know, you gotta replenish what you sweat out. You don't wanna be dehydrated. So, I feel good. The skin is skinny. I'm gonna go home and hit that great shower and do my little maintenance, and I'll be back popping, okay? I just can't wear no makeup right now because it's just too hot in the house. And my skin is beautiful, so I mean, all the water I'm drinking and the things that I'm doing, it's gonna show in my skin. So yes, y'all, took y'all with me for the day, okay? All right, I feel so good. Everything I'm doing is for self-care and for full body. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on those post notifications. Peace.